back, subbies, and if you're new here, hey friend. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing and styling of a LuvMe Hair wig. So before we get into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos, because if you watch my videos and you aren't subscribed, what are you doing? Okay, what are you doing? So I actually did purchase this item because I needed a new wig from LuvMe Hair. Now, for those of you who are the OGs, if you haven't watched it, watch it. It's gonna be up here. I remember doing this video back when their boxes were different, but their whole design has kind of changed. But the hair quality, still A1. So, let me show you the box. And then I'll show you that star of the show. So this is the box. Let me remove this ribbon. So this is the box. And let's see what's inside. So it looks like they gave me an extra piece of hair. I don't know if this is something that's supposed to be a sample or something I was supposed to try, but it's an ombre piece of hair. Yeah, so yeah, these are actually clips. So basically, if I wanted to, you know, clip these in my hair for a little, you know, for a little blonde piece, I could do that. So these are little clips. They have the little clips. These are basically clip-ins, and it comes with 3 pieces. So this is a piece, and these 2 are pieces. So that's neat. Next, we have the paper. And next we have gifts, y'all. Okay, we have gifts. So this gift is a LuvMe Hair flat iron. I love the fact they have the name and logo on this flat iron. I remember when I first ordered from LuvMe Hair, they had a flat iron, and I still have it to this day. It works good, but this is what I'm talking about. Great packaging. Great packaging. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna be using this on this wig. So I am gonna go ahead and plug this up, guys. Okay, so next we have a bag that looks like this. So let's see what's inside. These little pouches come in handy, by the way. So, oh, look, y'all, more gifts. So it looks like we have a LuvMe Hair edge layer. I don't know what to call these things sometimes. Basically headband, but it's something you do to lay your edges, okay? So this is what it looks like. And it comes with this. And this basically tells you how to care for your wig. And it tells you more about the products. And then on the back, talks about return and refund. But we ain't gotta worry about that because these wigs are, what I say earlier, A1. So, we have this, like if you wanna sew this at the back of the wig to make the cap tighter or however you wanna do it. We also have some more bobby pins because a girl can never have too many bobby pins. It has the LuvMe Hair logo on it. I'm just loving it. I'm just loving the packaging, guys. And then we have another edge brush. A girl can never have too many of those. Some of them, when they get too crusty, I just throw them away or whatever. So, and then we also have some tweezers. And Lord knows how many tweezers I done lost. So, and last but not least, we have the LuvMe Hair clip. Cute accessory. So now it's time to show you the star of the show. Now, when I first got the wig, I actually went ahead and washed it, so you all won't be able to see how it looked when I first got it out the box. But it was in great condition, didn't have a smell or anything, but your girl just likes to wash her wigs. Okay, like I am big on washing your wigs before applying them, period. So I washed this wig and I let it air dry, and this is how it air dried. So it was a body wave wig when I bought it, and you can see the natural waves. And honestly, you can tell a lot by a wig after you wash it. And now it smells good, and yeah, the waves, you can see the waves. So I am going to get my hair prepped and ready to go, so that way we can put on this wig. So my hair is a little bit poofy because I did wash it this week after basically relaxing my hair, and I blow dried it, but I did not flat iron it. So some of these pieces are gonna have to be straightened. Really just my leave out, so. Okay, so our hair is prepped, so I am going to go ahead and comb this hair out and show you the inside. So first I need to cut this for sure. So I do not have any scissors, so I'm just gonna use a nail clipper because it works. So let me show you the inside. This is the inside. It has a clip, just like clip-ins, which I love, because nowadays these new U-part wigs, they only have the comb and that's it. I like to comb and clip, okay? I like my stuff to be secure. And then they got nerve to have these combs on these wigs, and then the wig cap be too big for my head, like, y'all. But anyways, rant over. They also have a clip at the bottom like this. So yeah, from now on, like, I'm definitely gonna be doing U-part wigs from LuvMe Hair. So LuvMe Hair, continue making your wigs like this. I love it, okay? I love it. So yeah, and then it also has the adjustable straps in the back, so you can adjust it to your liking. So I'm going to adjust it the way I normally adjust my wigs. So this is the back. This is the front. I adjusted the wig because I like a bang, okay? Your girl likes a bang. This is the side. And you basically can style it and adjust it any way you want to, like, period. So this is how I'm doing mine. Before we get into putting some heat on the hair, even though the hair will look cute like this, like, I love this wavy look right here. Like, I love it, okay? So basically, if you want this look, all you gotta do is wash it and let it air dry, okay? That's it. But anyways, I'm going to be putting some heat on this hair. So you all know the heat protectant I like to use. So I'm just gonna take some of this and put it on the wig. All right, so putting some on my leave out as well, because we are going to have to do something to this. Don't make fun of my plait, y'all. I do not know how to braid. This is the best I can do. All right, so So our flat iron is heated up. So now it's time to get down to business, okay? Business. So basically what I'm gonna do is I am going to flat iron my leave out, straighten it up, blend it with this wig. After that, I'm gonna wand curl the hair, and the rest is history. So stay tuned. Okay, so I am done wand curling this hair. It's definitely giving body wave like it gave when I first opened a pack. Just need to work on blending this hair. It's blending as good as it can. But yeah, this is the hair. This is 18 inches. So yeah. Let me know what y'all think about the hair in the comments below. But it's giving, honey. It's definitely giving what it needs to give. Like, what else can I say? So the information on this hair will be linked below. So yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments. I also want to thank y'all for watching this video. And before you go, don't forget to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. If you like this video, give your girl the big thumbs up. Until next time, peace.